Okay, put it there. Come in. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Very good morning, bache. Very good morning. So, good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today I'll take your English class. Okay. So we'll revise these topics. First, we'll revise one topic from grammar section, that is verb, main verb or helping verb. And after that, we'll revise nouns, okay, and times. And then we'll discuss one topic from your writing section, that is diary entry. Is it clear? Okay. Let us start with the first topic, that is verbs. Okay. Here I'm going to write few sentences on the board. Okay. First is she takes exercise daily. She takes exercise daily. Okay. Second sentence. She is taking exercise. She is taking exercise. Okay. So, and the third sentence, I sing a song. I sing a song. So, next sentence we have, that is she has washed the clothes. She has washed the clothes. Fifth sentence, that is they were flying kites. They were flying kites. So, my dear students, first you need to identify the verbs. I hope you know what are the verbs. What are the verbs? Anybody please raise your hand. Offline students, what are the verbs? Okay, of online students, Ekansh. Ekansh, I have unmuted you, bache. Ekansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Please tell me what are the verbs?
Ma'am, verbs are those that perform actions.
Verbs are action words. Okay, first, okay, do one thing. Please identify the verb in this sentence, first sentence.
Ma'am, first.
Yes, in the first sentence, you need to identify the verb, bache.
Ma'am, helping verb and main verb find karna.
I haven't said helping or the main verb. I said identify the verb only. Which word is verb? She takes exercise daily. Please hurry up.
Ma'am, exercise.
That's not the verb. No. Okay, offline students. What's your name, bache? Okay, what's your name? Saksham. Okay, Saksham. Which word is verb? Very good, excellent. Big clap for him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Shabash, very good. Sit down. Very good. So this word is verb. Very good. Okay, so verbs are the action words. Okay, now which word is third sentence? In the third sentence, which word is verb? Yes, you tell. Very good, Shabash. This word is verb. Very good. Okay. So here I'm going. So verbs are the action words. Okay. Okay. Here I'm going to perform some actions. Okay. So you have to identify. Okay. So what I'm doing right now? What I'm doing right now? Okay. What I'm doing right now? You tell me. Jumping. Okay. What I'm doing right now? Okay. What I'm doing right now? So these actions. Okay. So the action words which I have just performed, these all are verbs. So action words are called verbs. What I'm doing right now, I'm teaching. What I'm doing right now? Teaching. What you are doing right now? You are also doing one more thing. You are listening. You are looking at the board. Okay? What I'm doing, I'm writing. You are listening. You are studying. I'm teaching. So teaching, listening, watching, looking, these all are verbs. These all are verbs. Clear or not clear? Clear? Okay. So verbs are the action words, and we have two types of verbs. First we have main verb. First we have main verb. Okay, and second we have helping verb. Second we have helping verb. Okay, what is the main verb? So first sentence, in the first sentence take, and in the third sentence sing. These two are main verbs. These two are main verbs because the main verb functions alone. Main verb functions alone. Okay, clear or not clear? For example, mother washes the clothes. So which word is verb first? Need to identify. Washes. Okay. Now washes is the main verb. Okay. I sing a song. Sing. And what kind of verb? Main verb. Clear? Now it functions alone. Now we have helping verbs. So helping verbs are the verbs, okay, which are used, which helps the main verb. Helping verbs help the main verb to clear its meaning. Okay. Now in the, sorry, we have main verb, and now sing is also the main verb. Now in the second sentence, we have this word is. Clear? In the fourth sentence, this word has. In the fifth, we have this. Okay? Is, has, word. So these are helping verbs. What are these doing? These are helping the main verb to clear the meaning. Clear or not clear? Clear? Now we have helping verbs. Helping verbs are two types. First, we have primary auxiliaries. Primary helping verbs. Okay? Then we have modal auxiliaries. Okay. So primary auxiliaries we have be, do, have. And I'm sure you know about it. Okay. So primary auxiliaries be. So what is the present form of be? Can you tell? Is, am, are. Yes, still please. Is, am, are. Okay. Is, am, are. These are the present form of be. Yes, बच्चे अभी रिवीजन चल रहा है ना आपका. ओके, सो आई एम श्योर कि आपको ये ऑलरेडी पता है, बट जस्ट वी आर रिवाइजिंग. क्लियर? सो is and are is the present form of be. Now we have, these are the present form, and then we have past form. Was, were. Have you heard? So was, were, these are the past form of be. Clear or not clear? So past form was, were. Then do means to do. Do means to do. Okay, so what is the present form? That is do or does. Present form? Do or does. Okay, past? Did. Very good, excellent. Who said this? Very good. Big clap for him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, now what is the present form of have? Has or? Have. Has or? Have. And what is the past form? That is? Have. Very good. These are the primary auxiliaries, helping verbs. Clear? Now next we have modals. I hope you all know about the modals. So you know about will, shall, can, could, may, might, must. Very good, Shabash. Will, shall, can, could. These. Clear? Clear or not clear? So these are the all are the helping verbs. Clear? Now please you tell this is the present form of be. Clear? And what is this taking? Yes, it is the main verb and is the helping verb. It is the helping verb. Okay, in the next sentence, has. She has washed the clothes. Has is the helping verb. And wash is the main verb. What is the? Yes, helping verb. And flying, name verb. I hope this topic is clear to you. Clear? Done? Okay. So now let's discuss another topic. Please, बच्चे, don't make noise. So we are going to discuss this topic, that is noun. So you already know that. Okay. So first I'm going to write few words. Okay, that is woman. Second word, that is sitting. Third word, that is dog. Fourth word, that is ball. Okay. So woman, city, dog, and ball. What are these? These all are naming words. Yes. So all naming words are called noun. Clear or not clear? Now, what kind of noun? What kind of noun are these? These are common nouns. Because these common noun give name to the general name of person, general name, woman, city, dog. Clear or not clear? So what I'm going to do next is we have this column. So woman, I'm going to write this. Mother Teresa. Okay, city, Delhi. Dog, Buzo, Tuffy, any. Ball, yes, tennis. So now, Mother Teresa is the particular name of a woman or a person. It's a particular name. Clear? Now it's a particular name of a place. Now it is a particular name of a dog. Now it is a particular name of a ball. So what kind of noun are these? Proper nouns. Yes, these are proper nouns. These are proper nouns. Okay? And these common noun. I hope it is clear. Clear, Bache? Okay, now look at this C part. Okay. Gang of robbers. Very good, Shahbaz. Okay, now bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. Okay. Then herd of elephant. Yes, herd of. Okay, now this word gang that tells us the collection of people. Here, gang. Now this word bunch tells us the collection of things. Okay, now this word herd tells us the collection of animals. So these are called gang, bunch, herd. Yes, collective nouns. Which noun? Collective noun. I hope it is clear to you. Now I'm going to write few words. Okay. First word that I'm going to write is, okay, happiness. Very good. Excellent class. Marvelous. So I hope everything is clear to you. Okay. The first word, that is happiness. Okay. Now second, pain. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you touch? Only you can see. So these are called abstract nouns. So abstract noun refer to an idea, feeling, okay, or quality. Abstract noun. I hope it is clear to you. Clear? Okay. Now I'm going to write few sentences quickly. And what will you have to do? You have to. Yes, Vijay? Herd of elephants. So first is, okay, first I have a watch. I have a watch. Okay. Okay, Mumbai is a big city. No, you're not supposed to give the answer like this. Only you have to raise your hand. Mumbai is a big city. Okay. Third is I saw a herd of cows. Herd of cows. Then fourth, he cried in pain. He cried in pain. Okay. Very good, Shabash. You give me the answer. What's your name? First, you tell your name. Gautam. Okay, Gautam. In the first sentence, which word is noun? Very good. And what kind of noun is it? It is very good. It's a common noun. Very good. Excellent. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Very good. Okay, Mumbai is a big city. Yes, you. Mumbai is the name of particular place and it is a proper noun. One more noun is there. Yes. No, I'm talking about this sentence. Yes, you tell. Yes, city, common noun. Very good. Big clap for him. And for him also. Very good. Excellent. बहुत अच्छी क्लास है आपकी. I saw herd of elephant. Yes, you. No. Yes, herd is collective noun. Very good, बच्चे. Clapping. Hurry up. Collective noun. Okay, now in next, he cried in pain. Yes, you. Very good, Shabash, bachche. Excellent. It's an abstract noun. Abstract noun. Very good. Done. So I hope this topic is also clear. Done? No, I'm not good. So you will get the recorded lecture now. Okay? Now first, you know what? If you want to learn something, you have to listen and understand first. You are not supposed to write. If you will go on writing, you won't be able to learn. You will not be able to learn anything. Okay? So next topic which I am going to discuss is that is diary entry. So first you need to understand what is diary entry. So you know what? It is a personal record of events and the writer's feelings and thoughts. Clear? It is written in first person. I clear? Now you know what? It is a good way of keeping record of the events and the innermost feeling and thought. And you know what? We got to know how much we have grown up over years. Clear? So each has a specific format. So what is the first step? So first you need to start it from the left side, and what you need to write, that is date and date. Day and date. So you are not supposed to write the day. Okay, you have to write which day is today? Tuesday. Yes, you have to write Tuesday and date 16. So you are not going to write like this day and this day. No. Clear? And this side you have to write time. Okay, clear? Now next part is the salutation. What is the meaning of salutation? That means to greet somebody. So you are talking, you are share your feelings with your diary. So you will write like this: dear diary. Okay. Okay. Yes. No, I don't think there is no need. Okay. There's any need to leave the line. Okay. Now, dear diary. Okay. What comes next? So next comes the most important part, that is the paragraph. Okay. So what you have to write, that is first is introduction. Introduction, and that means paragraph 1. So what? No, bacheta. You have to tell her, you have to write the time, not the word time. You are not supposed to write these words. You have to write day means day. Okay. Now introduction means you have to write first paragraph. And you know what do we write here? So in this paragraph, we just describe the main event in briefly. Okay, you are not going to write 7 to 8 lines here. Here you will write only 3 to 5 or 4 lines. Enough. But you have to tell, you have to describe the main event. What happened? Why you are writing this? Something major, something important thing happened. Now that's why you are writing this. So So what was that? Okay. Now comes the next part, that is supporting paragraph. Supporting paragraph. So supporting paragraph is the paragraph 2 and after that 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is how you can make it. Let me complete first. So these, so you know what, you have to describe the events. Okay. Here you have to describe the events in order. What happened first? What you did next? What you did after that? So this is how you have to write. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. So here I am going to give you one heading. Please note down. Make a diary entry on the topic. Make a diary entry. So this is the topic. Make a diary entry. Make a diary entry on the topic how you helped your mother, yesterday. So what happened yesterday? Okay, why you help your mother? Usually what happens? Mothers help you. Mother helps you now. You tell she cooks food for you. She wakes you up in the morning. Okay. She does so many things. So what happened yesterday? Because of that, you had to work. You had to take care of her. Yes. Who? Okay. Will you? Yes. You have a doubt. Okay. What's your doubt? Beta, you can. Okay. This you can start from here. Okay. No need. Okay. Clear? And okay, now please suggest what will you write in introduction paragraph 1? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Hurry up, online students and offline students. Start developing. Start developing the yes. No, when you are writing diary, suppose you are writing diary in the evening at 4 p.m. So you will write like 4 p.m. If you are writing diary, okay, at 9 p.m. then you will write like this. Clear? Clear? Okay, hurry up. Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes, you. Yes? So, beta, if you are writing, suppose, अगर आप रात को 9 बजे लिख रहे हो, then you will write like this 9 p.m. Okay, time. What will be the time? 9 p.m. If you are writing at 4 p.m., then you will write like 4 p.m. That's it. Okay? Yes. So, Ekansh, I'm going to give you turn. Ekansh, I have unmuted you, bache. Yes, please suggest some lines for paragraph 1. Okay, I'll give you one hint. So, yesterday your mother, that's why you helped her. So, now you have to create a situation. What happened? Yes, Ekansh, wait. Ekansh, please.
मैम मैं अभी लिख रहा था.
कहाँ जल्दी फिनिश कर लो.
Now we have Harshika. Harshika, I have unmuted you, bache. Will you try? Harshika, I have unmuted you, beta.
As you know, my mother always helps me in every situation, whether it is homework or something else. But yesterday, I had to help my mother first time.
Please stop. Harshika, speak again.
My mother was sick.
Harshika, wait. Speak again. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, diary. As you know, my mother always helps me in every situation, whether it is homework or something else. But yesterday, I had to help my mother. My mother was sick, so I helped her in every work. I made tea for her, and I also take care of her by buying medicines from the market.
Okay. Very good, Shabash. Excellent, bache. I've given something. Yes, this is for you, bache. Big clap. Very good, Shabash. Excellent. Now we have Sana. Sana, please. Paragraph 1. What you can write here?
Hello, Diary. As you know that my mother is very hardworking and she helps me in every situation. Yesterday, my mother was not well, so I decided to help her. First, I helped her in every work. Then I go to the kitchen and help by cutting some vegetables and fruits. And then I went to the market to buy some medicine with my father. Then I do my homework and then sleep. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I'm going to give you clue. So, dear Daddy, so yesterday was the birthday of my life. You know what happened? So, usually my mother comes to wake me up in the morning, and you know what? She didn't come yesterday. So I was surprised. So I just entered her room to check what happened. So I got surprised to see that she was lying on the bed and she was having high fever. Okay. At first I got frightened. You know what? My father was also not at home. Okay. So at last I decided to help my mother. So this is how you have to write the line in the first paragraph. Okay. Now how you help, that will come in the paragraph second. Okay. So in the second paragraph, you will write like this. Yes. I have to do. So when you are describing the past events, okay, so past actions when we are describing, so what we have to do, we always have to use second form of the verb. Okay, I had to do what I did. I got, yes. Yes. So today was the worst day of my life. You know what? In the morning, my mother didn't come to wake me up. I just so I entered her room to see what happened. She was lying on the bed. You can write like this. Okay, first paragraph. So in the second paragraph, you can write like this. What I did suddenly when you noticed that she was having high fever. So at first what you did? I dipped some clothes. I did some strip of clothes in the cold water and placed on her head. Then I gave her medicine. Give. You have to use the second form. So I gave her medicine. Then I decided to call doctor. And immediately the doctor came. And he examined her. And what he advised her to take? Rest. Okay. What I did? I just prepared a healthy food for her. Okay. And I sat by her the whole day. Until evening, she was all right. Now I was very happy to see her in a good condition. Okay. So you know what? My mother, she felt so glad. She became very happy to find that I took a great care of her. Okay. So this is how you can develop. Clear or not clear? Okay. Now who will? Yes, you. Hi, Daddy. Today we will discuss about the yesterday's day. My mother was saying she had fever and headache. So please, bache. Try to write. Develop the line. So I decided to take care of her and I will do all the work of the mother. First I gave medicine to her and I said you will have some relief. And I advised her to take rest. Yes. I will do yoga. So first I called my father. So he came back to home and he said, I will take care of her. You should do her. And okay. First I go to kitchen and went to kitchen. Then I went to kitchen. But I always use second form. Okay. I went to kitchen and I cooked some food. Okay, you sit down, please. We have Adnan. Adnan, very good. Bache. Big clap for her. Hurry up, shabash. Well tried. Okay, now Adnan, I have unmuted you, bache. Yes, Adnan.
Dear Dear Diary, yesterday was a wonderful day because I helped my mother the whole day and she was extremely happy. Every day she does everything for me, but yesterday I helped her with household chores like cleaning the house, kitchen, etc. I also watered the plants in the garden. My mother had a very important work, so she needed my help. She also gave me sweets as reward. I felt extremely happy. It's late now. I will talk to you later.
Great, great. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Stop. Okay, it means you're not listening to your teacher. Let's do one thing. Here, Adnan, I have just given you something, but you're very good. Excellent. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's play a game. Okay, when I say clap, then you have to clap. When I say clap, then you have to clap. Otherwise, you have to stop. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, start. No. If I say clap, then you have to clap. And what you are doing? When I said start, you just started clapping. Okay? So clap. Stop. Stop. You are clapping. It means you don't listen. Okay. Start. Clap. Clap. Stop. Stop. Okay. This is what it means.